Well, it's a new month, so that means we have a new pop-up card design for my Patreon members. And since it's March, we're going with the St. Patrick's kind of theme here. So this is the card. On the front, it'll say, "Are you feeling lucky?" And when you open it up, you got a big pop-up four-leaf clover, as well as some more text inside. Says, "Because I sure do." So you can see how that pops up along with the big four-leaf clover. So that is March's design. And it's pretty simple, not too many pieces. You have your backing sheet, base card, the four-leaf clover part, and the pop-up words. And step one, after you get all this printed out and cutted, we'll start with the pop-up words first here. First, I'm going to point out here. So we have 3 slots that we need to put in. So it'll be 2 here and then 1 here on the side. So it's going to go like this. And this folds back into that slot like that. Fold that closed. Put your tape on the tabs, fold them down here. Make sure everything's lined up here. All right, so that's put together. All right, now we can put the backing inside of the card here. This is how you want to put it in, like that. Try and get it as straight as possible here. Hold that into the spine and then kind of hold it in place as you close the rest of the card. There, so that's that. And for the four-leaf clover, this has 4 different folds, kind of easier to see from the backside. So it's going to fold in, and this is going to fold up into it. So there's a V fold here and then like that. And you want to close it. You kind of half close your card so you can line it up. And then you want to push it just to the, so it doesn't stick out when you close the card. That goes there. Again, you want to make sure the Clover's inside is tight to this fold line. Should be right about there. Oops. So you want to put one side down first. Oops, I put too much adhesive on. A little too far. So when doing, I should have put the adhesive on this part and not the 4-leaf clover, because it kind of overhangs the pop-up mechanism. You don't want your card to get stuck closed. I think that's, so you can kind of see I put it too far out. Just checking here to, okay, that should be good. So you want your card to be fully open, and then you can press that down. There we go. And the only thing left to do is the little stem. Just can slip it under there like that. Break. Yeah. Probably put it there as well. I'm not sure if that'll close. Yeah, that would work. So you can either tuck it under here, like that, or you could put it on the part that pops out too. Just make sure it's further enough in so it doesn't stick out when you close it. But we're gonna put mine right there, like that. And that is your finished card. Like I said, pretty simple to put together. Are you feeling lucky? Because I sure do. Finished and perfect. Like I said, this is for the March Patreon members. If you would like the template files for this, make sure you check the link in the bio where you can find the link to my Patreon page. The file comes with everything to make this card. Comes with the ladybug 4-leaf clover seamless pattern that you can put on this backing if you want. Comes with the words, designs, and some other stuff. So if you like that, make sure you check out the link. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. of this, or if you have any ideas for future designs. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one.